Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hot honey sauce for wings. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of your favorite hot sauce, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. For an extra kick, consider adding a pinch of cayenne pepper or a half teaspoon of garlic powder. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Pour the 1 cup of honey into a small saucepan. Add the 2 tablespoons of hot sauce and the 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Stir these ingredients together gently over low heat until they are well combined. We want to bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, but be careful not to let it come to a rolling boil. Allow the sauce to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. This gentle heat helps the flavors to truly meld and deepen, creating that perfect hot honey taste. Now is the time to taste and adjust. If you prefer more heat, add a bit more hot sauce or a pinch of cayenne. For a unique twist, try adding a half teaspoon of smoked paprika. Once your hot honey has simmered to perfection, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely. This step is crucial for the sauce to thicken slightly. Transfer your cooled hot honey to an airtight container or a convenient squeeze bottle. It's now ready to be drizzled generously over your favorite crispy chicken wings or used as a fantastic dipping sauce. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.